Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Wi-Fi stopped working after deleting the Computer Access Manager. So guys, first click to start, type services.m services, right click to run as administrator. Now find out, press C, Capability Access Manager service. So guys, just double click to open it. Okay, select the automatic, and if it is stopped, okay, right now it's start, that's why showing here stop. So if it is showing start, so just click on it and then apply and then okay, then close it, close, then type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click to yes for access. So now I am giving you some command for the reset the network component. Okay, first use command this one. Okay, and then hit enter. Successfully restore the repo network. This all command I will give you in description, so you can hit enter. Okay, and now DNS full, and then last shutdown 0/. Wait few seconds. Now again start the system. Okay, then next method, click to start and device manager. Then extract the network adapter. So you can see wireless VLAN WLAN, this is means Wi-Fi. Okay, so right click to update and update driver. Okay, and then close it. Then check the performance and network reset, click to start, go to setting, and then network and internet, and then advanced setting, and slow down, you can find out the network reset. Okay, so click on it and then click to reset now, and then yes. After that guys, close it, and then last method is very important. Click on start, in search type cmd, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command, first copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continue, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter, so no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, scan health, just hit enter, it will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health, copy, control V and hit enter, and this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions, we have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay.